you, Jackie.
I hope you feel better.
3. Come back to work.
We miss you, Miss Jackie. We miss you, Miss Jackie.
We miss you, Miss Jackie.
Okay. Happy birthday, Jackie. Get well soon.
Hi, Jackie.
Hi, Jackie.
We miss you and we hope you are doing well. We know you can fight this and win. The lunches are not the same without you.
Even though the mashed potatoes are still really good. I like those.
Love you. Hope
Love
to
you.
see you soon.
Fight hard. Bye.
Miss you. Get well soon, Jackie.
We're thinking about you.
Hi, Jackie. We miss you. We hope you're better soon.
Hi, Jackie. This is Megan. I just wanted to wish you good wishes and let you know that here at Hoover, we do miss you so much. We miss your smile and your fun in the kitchen. And I just want you to know that I'm behind you 100% in getting better and to beat cancer because you can do it. Bye.
Happy birthday. We miss you. We miss you. Come back soon. Come back soon. We miss you. Come back soon. We miss you. Come back soon. We miss you. Come back soon.
I'm ready.
Hi, Jackie. We're so happy that we were able to make this video for you. All boys and girls and staff in our school, Jackie, are thinking of you every single day. We miss you. We want to say happy birthday and want you to know that we are sending well wishes to you. So hopeful that all medicine is working for you. You're getting lots of rest and you'll be back with us soon. Boys and girls ask about you often, and we as staff members talk so much about you and all the work that you do and how kind and wonderful you are to all of our students and how we can't wait to have you back with us again. So happy birthday. Do everything those doctors tell you to do and know that we think of you always. We all love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. We miss you, Jackie. Hope you get better soon. We miss you. We miss you. We miss you. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jackie. Happy birthday. Get well. We miss you.